Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you this raspberry soda recipe. I learned this while I was in India studying abroad. So first we'll want to start off with our raspberries. Here I have some washed raspberries, but I'll be adding some unwashed and then washing them more because I do like my recipe to have quite a bit of raspberries. Now that we have them washed, we'll want to set them aside and bring our cup forward. To the cup, we'll be adding about 1/4 of a cup of raspberries. We'll then get our pestle and squash those raspberries up. You can have bigger chunks if you'd like. It's all up to your personal preference. We'll then add some simple syrup to our cup. All that is 1 part sugar, 1 part water. It's boiled and then you leave it to cool in the fridge. I added 5 teaspoons, but you may need less or more depending on your preference. Mix it up. Now for our last step, we'll want to add our carbonated water. Here I have the lime flavor because that is what I had on hand. However, you'd want to add unflavored. And there you have it, raspberry soda. If you want to check out the place I originally tried it from, check out Soda Bottle Opener Wala in the Khan Market in New Delhi. Thank you. Enjoy.